Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a uTorrent extension to Chrome. All right. First up, let's go ahead and open up our Chrome browser. As you can see here, I am using Brave browser. Well, basically, this one is a Chromium-based browser as well. What we're going to do to add uTorrent is just basically go to the extension tab right here, click on it, and as you can see, you can go ahead and manage your extensions right here. If not, if you can't see this icon right here, just go ahead and click on the three horizontal lines, or it could be a three dots right here for you. Just click on it, and here in these options right here, extensions is also available. Just go ahead and click on Visit Web Store. All right. Now, once you're in here, in the search box, just type in uTorrent. All right. Once done, just hit on Enter. There are two results. Just go ahead and click on uTorrent for Chrome. Click on it, then go ahead over to Add to Brave. Right here, the big blue button. Click on Add to Brave, and here just simply click on Add Extension. All right, as you can see here, it is currently doing its magic. Let's just wait for it. Now it's done. uTorrent installed. uTorrent for Chrome has been added to Brave, or yours might be added to Chrome. All right, just close this one. If you want to manage your uTorrent, just go ahead and click on the extension button right here. And here, the three dots besides uTorrent for Chrome, click on it, or the three horizontal lines. Then go ahead over to Options. All right. As you can see, you can go ahead and manage your web API right here, and password, the port, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.